Today I'd like to share with you a simple sitting Qigong routine. Hi, I'm Jeff Chand, acupuncturist, practitioner of traditional Chinese medicine and Qigong instructor. There are many different types of Qigong practices, all with different types of outcomes. Some are a little bit more invigorating and will help strengthen your body and increase flexibility and range of motion. And some are more relaxing and meditative and will calm and soothe your mind. So this sitting Qigong practice is very good to do any day, any time of day. You can even do it more than once a day. It's really, the main focus is to get you into what's called the flow state. This is a state where you feel like your body is almost borderless and very relaxed and very energized at the same time. Sometimes it feels as if time is standing still, or you don't know if it's 5 minutes or 10 minutes that's gone by. And it's a very rejuvenating state to be in. So if you're all ready to begin, grab a chair and sit down and let's begin. So mainly you want to make sure that you're comfortable. Don't worry about sitting forward or sitting back or what kind of chair you have, just be comfortable. If you have to sit back, that's fine. The main thing you want to do is make sure your legs are bent at a 90 degrees and your feet are flat on the ground. Try to avoid curling them up or crossing them over, just get them flat on the ground. So we'll always come back to what's called the ready position. That's with your hands on the knees, and just your body's engaged, you're breathing deeply. So we'll begin and end each exercise in the ready position. All right, so if we're ready to begin, let's start with a few deep natural breaths. So breathing in and breathe out, relax. Good, breathing in, nice, calm, clear energy. And breathing out any tension, any worries, any stress, and let go of anything that's unnecessary. Let's begin now with the rise and fall. So breathing in, lifting the hands up to the level of the shoulders. Breathing out and letting the hands slowly sink down to the knees, but just touch the knees, but don't rest them there. Good, breathing in and breathing out. Good, and just repeat 10 times. Try to focus on moving nice and smoothly and gently. At first you may feel like you're moving very rigidly and ratchety, but over time as your body relaxes, it'll be a little bit easier to be smooth. If at any point you're feeling any discomfort in your shoulders, you can just bring your arms a little bit closer to your body. You may feel a little bit like a Tyrannosaurus Rex, but it's a little bit easier on the arms and the shoulders. If you're feeling engaged and energized, you can reach your fingers and the hands forward. Good, 3 more. Breathing in and out. 2 more. Breathing in, big in breath, and out. Relax the body. This is a great exercise for overall circulation. Last one. Breathing in and out, and back to the ready position. Good. Relax, readjust, shake out any tight areas. Good. Next exercise is spinal breathing. So breathing out in the ready position, breathing out, curving the spine, breathing in, arching the back, arching the spine, looking up, and breathing out. Breathing in and out. Now, if you have any pre-existing back issues, just be careful with this one. Try to maintain core strength and try to maintain that feeling of fullness and energy throughout your spine. It's a great exercise for overall circulation through your back and spine. It's great to warm up your body. I feel myself getting a little flushed while doing this one. Good, 3 more. Breathing in. Really take a big in-breath and try to arch the spine, looking up. Breathing out, curving the spine, forcing out any air from the lungs. 2 more. Breathing in. Out. Last one. Breathing in and out. Good. Relax. Shake that out a little bit. Okay, next exercise is called circulating the qi. There are many different versions of this. This is just one of them. So start with one hand pushing forward in the front of your chest. The other hand comes towards your dantian or your lower heaven. Now turn your front hand down and bring it towards your dantian as your other hand comes up the chest. Turn and push forward. Now just repeat. So you're essentially making 2 different circles with your hand, and each time your hand is coming towards you, you're pulling the qi and the energy through your dantian, which is your lower heaven. And as your hand is coming away from you, you're taking away any stagnation or any tension that's in your chest. Good, so just continue on your own. And remember, just try to feel that relaxation. Use as little force as necessary to move your arms. Keep your body relaxed, your neck, your shoulders relaxed. Keep your feet flat on the ground. Keep a happy thought in your mind. Think of a good memory, a funny memory. A lighthearted attitude always helps your qi move smoothly throughout your body. Now just notice, does one arm feel a little bit easier to move than the other? Do you feel more strength, more qi circulation in one hand as opposed to the other? Just notice it. You don't have to change anything. Good, just a few more. Try to feel that qi coming to your dantian. Feel it storing there, getting brighter and bigger. Just breathe where it feels natural. Try to keep your hands open, not closed down, but nice and open. Good, and come back to the ready position. Hands on the knees. Next series of exercise are going to be similar to standing horse stance, except we're going to be sitting. And the main focus of this, again, is to let that energy and qi start to flow smoothly throughout your body. Now what you want to do is really focus on warmth and pressure in between your hands. Starting from the ready position. Take a big in-breath. As you breathe out, bring your hands up to the level of the chest. You can bend your arms, have your hands pointing to each other, your palms pointing each other. Now just hold this position, relax your shoulders, relax your body, relax your jaw. Good, and just hold this position and relax. Now just bring your attention to your hands, to your palms, and move them a little bit further away from each other. Now bring them a little bit closer, and a little bit further apart. Now there's going to be this place where you feel a little bit of pressure in between your hands. It's usually around body width apart. Try to feel that. It doesn't necessarily mean anything. It doesn't mean that you have good qi or bad qi or anything. It just means that's what you feel today. Just be aware of that. The more awareness you have of that, the better the qi circulation is through your arms, your shoulders, and your neck. Good, so take a big in-breath. As you breathe out, bring one hand up to underneath your chin and the other hand down to your dantian level. And just hold this position. Relax the shoulders, relax the arms, relax your mind. Try to feel that pressure in between the hands again. Good. Take a big in-breath. As you breathe out, rotate the hands. Top hand comes down under the dantian area. Upper hand comes under the chin. Relax the arms, relax the shoulders. Try to use as little force as necessary to hold that upper arm up. Try not to let it fall and collapse, but create some energy, some vigor in between your arms and hands. Take a big in-breath. As you breathe out, bring your hands back to facing each other. Now move, pulse a little bit further, a little bit closer. What do you notice? Anything? Any warmth, any pressure, any heat? Any tingling? Does that area feel bigger or smaller? It doesn't mean anything. It's just a sensation. Good, and relax. Come back to the ready position. Great, now next exercise is big bear stretch. So hands come up to the level of the shoulders. Open the arms, open the chest, stretch, and bring the hands back to the center. Breathing in, take a nice big stretch like a big bear waking up in the morning, and breathe out, curving the back, squeezing the arms together. Breathing in and out. In, out. And when you're doing this exercise, really try to imagine you're a big, great big bear, maybe even like a polar bear. Good, 3 more. Good, and back to the center, back to the ready position. Good, and now to shake out your arms, shake out your hands. If you don't have arms on your chair, then you can just do them by your side. If you do have arms, then you might have to do them out to the side. This just helps dissipate any built-up qi that's been in the body. Great, now let's just do that circulating the qi one more time. So one hand push forward, one hand comes to the dantian. Now it probably feels a little bit different to you from the first time. Your arms should feel a little bit lighter, a little bit more relaxed, and a little bit more energized. Good, and come back to the ready position. Take a big in-breath. And breathe out. 2 more, breathing in. And out. Last one, breathing in bright, vibrant energy. Breathing out, letting go of any stagnation and anything that's unnecessary. And you are done. You can practice this Qigong routine every day, even a couple of times a day, if you just need to invigorate and reactivate the circulation of your Qi. Now remember, your body always knows what to do with energy. All you need to do is just stop and let the body heal itself, let it rest, let it relax, and let it do what it needs to do. We really, I think at a cellular level, want to be healthy. We just sometimes have to get out of its way. Now, if you've liked this style of Qigong, I would invite you to come join us in the community. This is an online library of many different styles of Qigong practices for all sorts of different conditions like pain, low energy, stress, anxiety, digestive issues, heart issues, liver issues. There's something for everybody. We really try to focus on having a lot of different types of variety of Qigong practices so you can find something that works and resonates with you. Just recently, we've released the 30 days of Qigong. These are 30 different routines over 30 days so that you're guaranteed to find something that you'll like. If you've liked this video, please feel free to like it on YouTube or share it on social media. And just even leave a little comment to let me know what you think, because your comments always help me know what to focus on and what you would like to see more of. If you're not quite ready to join the community right now, just at least join our email newsletter, and I'll send you emails anytime that we make new videos. And don't worry, you can subscribe at any time you want, and we won't spam you because I don't even really know how to spam. Great, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.